Setting up a workspace in Adobe InDesign is quite simple. All you have to know is what you plan to use the workspace for. The idea is to show the panels, or palettes as they're sometimes called, which you'll mainly need for whatever work you're doing. The preset workspaces are good, but can be modified if necessary. We'll start with the one called Essentials, which has been there for some time. It's the usual default. But we realize we're going to be doing some work with text, so we want to have a couple of the text-related panels available at all times. We can therefore go to the Window menu and slide down to the Type and Tables item near the bottom, and then out onto the submenu where we can find the Character panel and give it a click. The panel appears, and we can drag it wherever we like, position it as we see fit. We can do the same with the Paragraph panel. Window menu again, Type and Tables, and find Paragraph, and again, position it as we see fit initially. We might also want to bring up the Paragraph Styles panel, since those are pretty helpful. Styles are very useful for doing quick formatting. So we can go to the Window menu yet again, this time slide to Styles, and in the submenu, click on Paragraph Styles. We see that this one jumps out from one of the preset groups over here, but we can grab it by its title tab, drag it out to whatever spot, and tuck away the others. Showing any other panels we need or want is fine. They'd work on the same principle. But at this point we notice the panels are just sitting wherever they first showed up, or wherever we dragged them. We may want to organize them, and we can do that with their title tabs. If I grab a panel's title tab, let's say for paragraph here, and drag it right next to one of its buddies, like the character title tab, the one will dock with the other. And we can create our own panel groups this way and organize them however we like. This is one of the neatest aspects of the whole panel idea. I can drag the Paragraph Styles panel title tab here too. But there's one more plus to this feature. After we arrange the panels, widen or shorten or do whatever else we want in terms of their appearance, we can save the whole arrangement as a new workspace. And all we have to do for that is to go to the Window menu yet again, this is all window related, slide to the Workspace command up here near the top for a change, and slide over and down and click New Workspace, which brings up the dialog box. And here we can give it any name we want, just call it Personal for example. And when we OK out, that arrangement will remain in the drop down here from that point on. It'll appear in the list of workspaces unless we delete it. And even if we do delete it, as you can see here, it's quite possible, we're not actually deleting any panels, just telling the program that we don't need that particular arrangement anymore. It may seem kind of trivial compared to some of the other features in the program, but InDesign's ability to set up and record workspaces is a very user-friendly capability, and if it makes the work easier or more efficient, it certainly can't hurt.